In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple yet effective method to change the default font in Google Slides. Adjusting the default font can significantly enhance the appearance and uniformity of your presentations, providing a polished and professional look. So let's get started and dive into the process step by step. The first thing you need to do is open Google Slides. Once you're in, select the presentation where you wish to change the default font. Alternatively, you can create a new presentation if you want to start from scratch. Once your presentation is open, look towards the top of the screen and find the slide menu. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. In this drop-down menu, identify and select Edit Master. This option holds the key to customizing your slide's layout and fonts. Essentially, the master slide serves as a template for all your slides, controlling the look and feel of your entire presentation. So by altering the font here, you are essentially setting a new default for any text you add later. Once you've clicked on Edit Master, you'll notice a new view where there are various slide layouts displayed on the left side of the screen. This is called the Slide Master view. You'll likely see the primary slide at the top, followed by other layout options below. This top slide is where you'll be making your changes. Select this master slide, as changes made here will cascade down to all other layouts. With the master slide selected, navigate to the toolbar at the top and click on the font box. This is where you can begin selecting a new font that suits your needs. Google Slides offers a variety of fonts, so feel free to scroll through and pick one that aligns with your presentation's style and purpose. After selecting your desired font, apply the change by clicking on any part of the slide to ensure it registers. It's important to note that this change will affect all text boxes tied to this master slide in your presentation. If needed, adjust the size, color, or other text attributes to further refine the default text style. This ensures that wherever text is used, it remains consistent across the slides, reinforcing a unified design. Once you're satisfied with your font choices and adjustments, it's crucial to exit the master view by selecting the X or Close Master button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. By doing this, you save your changes and return to the normal editing view of your presentation. Remember, changing the default font in your Google Slides presentation not only saves time in the long run, but also elevates the overall aesthetic of your work, leaving a lasting impression on your audience. So that's it. You've successfully learned how to change the default font in Google Slides, making your presentations more cohesive and visually appealing.